Hi guys, finally all our centers are open. So in case you want to buy any books or something, you can visit our center. Please do call and go because the timing might change or depending on when counselor is there, when our faculty is there or not. So in case you need any mentorship, any guidance, you can just call us on any of the numbers, confirm, book an appointment and you can come. So we are taking care of all the precautions as well, like mask and all, and spray, hand sanitizer and all. So we are all taking care of all the precautions. So black books are there. In case you want to buy our CET ka books or CAT 21 ka program, you are most welcome to visit the branch. In this video we'll talk about the CET ka complete plan along with all the non-CET exam as well, which are accepted by Jamnath Bajaj. So that's why I'm calling this program called JB120. So we're launching this program at CET King called JB120, in which we're going to focus upon all the exams, right from CAT, right from CET to all the other exams which are accepted for that. So before we go into that, let's check out which all exams are being accepted. So CMAT, ATMA, MAT are going to be in Feb. They're all tentative. किसी का अभी तक डेट आया नहीं है. CET is going to be in March. Again CET का भी डेट नहीं आया है. इनफैक्ट किसी का भी डेट नहीं अभी तक यार. मस्त है तो अपना. किसी का भी डेट नहीं आया और हमने कोचिंग चालू कर दिया. But this is exactly what happens. Every year people prepare for CAT and CET exam before the even exam dates are announced, which is part of life. And May में आके we have again ATMA MAT. These all scores in 2021 are accepted by DT as of today. This status can change, but now because केस हो गया, केस करके सी गवर्नमेंट ने बोला कि आपको ये सब एग्जाम लेने पड़ेंगे, तो मास्टर CET वाला कौन होता है ना बोलने वाला. So this exactly what happened, and court have given the orders to accept all the exams. So I believe now they will not take any more panga after this. So now all these exams will be accepted. So we can give this exam as the backup. Now those who are confident about the preparation, आपने CAT दिया है, SNAP and MET दिया है, then you can easily give the exam in Feb, because I can give you in writing. CET के बाद तुम्हारे में पढ़ने हिम्मत नहीं बचेगी. I have seen that every year. अब अभी देखो ना, जिसने CAT दिया है, CAT के बाद it takes you weeks to get back to normal and start studying. एग्जाम के बाद कभी हमने स्टडी किया है क्या? Alright, so that's why we can focus here. CMAT, ATMA, MAT. But those who are focused on purely CET, और अभी हमने पढ़ना शुरू किया है, ज़्यादा कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है, अभी तुम्हारा कॉलेज भी चालू है साथ में, then we can focus on May ATMA MAT. May ATMA MAT scores are very well valid for that, and MAT happened twice, paper based, online. हिम्मत है तो दोनों दे दो, but the scores are combined. But they are two separate papers. ऐसा नहीं कि पेपर कॉमन आएगा, so you have a better chance to convert. Okay, so these are all the exams 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exams which are accepted by Jamnath Bajaj, Sydenham, all the colleges. That's why we're launching this program called JB120. Validity for this course is till May end, till last exam. In case the exam get delayed, we'll take care of that. यार प्रॉब्लम पता क्या आती है, पब्लिक जो दो जॉइनर्स फॉर द CET प्रोग्राम आपके पास ये नहीं है, फिर देन May ATMA MAT नहीं आएगा यार से बस अक्टूबर में फिर आएगा, दिसंबर में फिर आ जाएगा, तो कितना तक कंटिन्यू करेंगे यार. सो वी टू पुट अ लिमिट. सो May end is your deadline for ATMA MAT. In case of course exam get delayed by 15 days, we'll extend that program obviously, because अभी उड़ती खबर ये भी लोग मेरे को कह रहे हैं कि CET शायद डिले होगा, ये होगा वो होगा, वो जैसा भी होगा we will take care of that. ठीक है, your program is valid till the CET exam. Yeah, let it be any date. Okay, so those who already have joined us, their score is valid till March, and for the new program for JB120 plus program, your validity is till May end. Okay, so in case you want to join the program, you can call us on any of the numbers given somewhere here. I think यहाँ पे आएगा number सारे. So you can just call us on any of the numbers given here, and my team will be more than happy to help you out in case you want to join our program. Okay, now those who already have joined us, so for CET plus program, we will include CMAT, ATMA, MAT of Feb वाला. Please यार ये वाला नहीं हो पाएगा, validity cannot be extended that long. So Feb वाला we will add that. CMAT, ATMA, MAT will be added to your programs. That I will take care of. Fine, those who already have joined us. But extension के लिए अगर चाहिए तो आपको upgrade करना पड़ेगा. Or you can join this program. Those who not yet joined, you can join this program. But this is for the people who are talking about all these things. Now the reserved category student, those who are targeting Jamnath Bajaj, you have to only give CET. ATMA, MAT, CMAT, all these colleges are for open category only across India. Master wala, Delhi wala, everyone can target that. So looking at the cutoff now, open category cutoff for Jamnath Bajaj, CET is 99.94 percentile. It can come down to 93 as well, depending on how many people give the exam. Because this year CAT में numbers have gone down, तो CET में number will drastically go down. But CET में last year के बच्चों ने काफ़ी लोगों ने admission नहीं लिया है, क्योंकि मार्केट भी डाउन है और एक्सटेंड भी होता गया, तो दे माइट ट्राई अगेन. सो दैट वन प्रॉब्लम. 140 इज अ टारगेट स्कोर. परसेंटाइल की जगह स्कोर देखो, 140 इज अ टारगेट स्कोर. तू हमारे मॉक में 140 लिया भाई, तुम JB जा रहे हो, इरिस्पेक्ट ऑफ दैट. CMAT cut off 99.99, approximately 330 marks. Same ATMA MAT, you have to be a topper. तुम्हें top करना पड़ेगा, simple. Yeah, for JB. Then Signum, Somaya, Valinker. So go to the link cetking.com/CMAT. I've given the cutoff for CMAT. MAT, cetking.com/MAT. I've given the cutoff for MAT. ATMA, I've given the cutoff for ATMA. All the cutoffs I've given on the particular link. Go to that link. Yeah, cetking.com/MAT, cetking.com/ATMA. All those links. So this is a mota plan for JB 120, in which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options to try for JB. यार कभी कभी क्या होता है कि दैट डे किस्मत खराब होती है, पजल सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए, ये नहीं कर पाए, तुम्हारा जेबी हाथ से निकल गया. सो दिस कैन एक्ट एज अ वेरी गुड बैकअप प्लान टू सर्वाइव. और आई कैन गिव मेनी एग्जांपल. यार हमारे साथ एक स्टूडेंट था हु गॉट 98 इन सीट, 99.1 इन CET. ही वाज नॉट गेटिंग एनी गुड कॉलेज, बट मैट के थ्रू उसका अच्छा स्कोर आ गया, मैट भी मे वाला, एंड सीधा उसका वी स्कूल मिल गया. इंडसइंड बैंक में जॉब लगी, 9.5 लाख का पैकेज. So May ATMA MAT can be a very good backup plan. All right, all the best.